Introduction to Custom Health Goals.
The personalizing your health targets can make hypertension management more effective. Many blood pressure apps now allow you to set your own goals, so your care fits your lifestyle and your doctor's advice. Let's explore how you can tailor these apps to monitor your progress and help manage your blood pressure day to day.
Navigating app settings.
To start, open your Hypertension Management app and locate the Settings or Goals menu. Here, you'll often find default recommendations based on medical guidelines. Look for options that let you set custom systolic and diastolic pressure targets, daily step counts, or medication reminders, making the app work to support your individual needs.
Setting personalized blood pressure targets.
Consult your healthcare provider about your ideal blood pressure range before inputting your custom targets into the app. Enter these values in the relevant fields. Many apps also allow you to add notes about symptoms or lifestyle changes, helping you and your provider spot trends beyond just the numbers.
Tracking progress and adjusting goals.
Most apps feature progress charts or daily logs to track your readings over time. Use these visual tools to see patterns, celebrate improvements, and identify areas for change. If your doctor recommends new targets, it's easy to update your settings and stay on top of your health plan.
Staying motivated and connected.
Some apps offer reminders, achievements, and the ability to share results with your healthcare team or family. These features can keep you motivated and supported as you work toward your custom goals. Remember, regular tracking and goal adjustments are key to effective hypertension management.